All right, ladies and gents, this is Will Zanders, and today, for today's MLM Minutes, we're just going to cover two quick rules. It's going to be really about MLM by the numbers, because MLM is a numbers game, guys, and if the most important number in MLM is going to be the law of averages. It's the law of averages. If you have any questions about the law of averages, where I first learned about it was actually in the Bible. I'm pretty sure they talk about that at some point, but really in network marketing, the Jim Rohn video, building your network marketing business. In fact, I'll put a link to it below in the description section so you can hear Jim Rohn, one of the all-time great trainers in MLM and in traditional business. You can hear him talk about the law of averages, right? So here we go. Today we're going to talk about the 80-20 rule. So we got the law of averages, learn that on your own, but the 80-20 rule is critical. And the 80-20 rule was by, I think, Vilfredo Pareto, who was an Italian economist maybe, or Italian scientist of some sort. But basically it says that 80% of the value is given by 20% of the people. If you look at an NBA team, 80% of the points are scored by 20% of the players. If you look in network marketing, the industry makes a lot of money, but 80% of the money is made by roughly 20% of the people. Okay, but why is that? I don't know. It's the 80-20 rule. Research it yourself. I'll put a link in the description section below so you can educate yourself on the 80-20 rule. And it's so prevalent. It's so prevalent. But here's the thing. In network marketing, here's what I did, and something you can do today to catapult you into the top 20% of network marketers where all the money is. Now, that being said, it's going to take some time for your business to grow, of course, but at the same time, the 80-20 rule is super prevalent. It will help you so much. Just please trust me on this. So here's the 80-20 rule as applied to network marketing, how to make it work for you instantly, all right? Look at what 80% of the people are doing in network marketing. Like, look at what everybody else is doing in the industry, your companies, your team, maybe your upline, downline. Just look at what everybody's doing, right? Everything. And then do the exact opposite. Just by doing that, you instantly catapult yourself into the 20%. That's where the money is, and that's where the real journey begins when you decide to take this seriously. So in a nutshell, this is just my personal belief. If you're plugged in upline, says different, it's totally up to you. If everybody and their mama is doing Facebook Lives 27 times a day, I'm going to do the exact opposite just because I don't want to be in the crowd. I don't want to be in 80%. If 80% of people are trying to automate their system with some, Brunson click funnel, then don't even know anything about traffic, but that's like the hot thing, click funnel, capture page, click funnel. That was hot for a while, right? And attraction marketing, super, super hot, right? Everybody and their mama want to start an MLM blog. Oh, we got a blog now, right? We got a blog. There are very few people who can be successful with a blog just because of content and traffic. But the bottom line is, if everybody's doing a blog, everybody's doing attraction marketing, everybody's doing Facebook Lives, I'm instantly going to take all that cool stuff, which might work kind of for some people. I'm gonna throw that in the trash, and instantly, whatever I have left to work with, that's what I'm gonna do. So, whoa, phone calls. That's interesting. Home meetings or virtual home meetings on a Zoom. That's interesting. Nobody's doing that. I think I'll do that, right? Actually using my product, but not in a spammy way, like using it, not just joining the company today and saying, join my team, buy my stuff in a Facebook post. Maybe use the product, get some results, and then, I don't know, talk about the results with people you know, right? Other people, 80% of people will never talk to their friends and family properly about their network marketing business. I call them secret agents, right? Because they're scared of rejection, scared that they've been with a couple companies before. Listen, I have been in several companies. I've been successful at every company. The company I'm with now, HMN, is home. HMN, no gang forever. But at the same time, I talk to my friends and family first. Why? Because I don't want to be a jerk. I don't want to be a jerk and deprive them of what I feel is the greatest health opportunity and the greatest wealth opportunity in the world today. So that's my thing, guys. Look what everybody else is doing. Do something different than that. Automatically in the top 20%. That's going to bring you success or be one of the pieces to your success as you move forward using the 80-20 rule. So check out the links in the description section below. Like and subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot of cool content. I mean, everybody's working from home anyway now, right? So this is Will Zanders. Good night. God bless. And I will see you over the top.